Hey there, thanks for watching. I'm Pauline from pCloud, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how to invite people to a folder on pCloud via web. This feature allows you to share a folder with other pCloud users so you can collaborate on the same files together. Let's get started. First, go to the pCloud folder you'd like to invite someone to. Then click on the Invite to Folder icon you can find to the right of the folder, in the menu bar above, or in the drop-down menu. Next, enter the email address of the person you want to invite, and you can manage the access permissions, view or edit. You can also add a personal message. Finally, click Share to send the invitation. You can manage access to the folder at any time by clicking the shared folder icon next to the folder name, or by going to Shared in the left menu, My Shares. You can edit permissions for each invitee or remove the share entirely. That's it. Now you know how to invite people to a folder on pCloud via web. For more quick tutorials, hit subscribe and stay tuned. Bye bye.